Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about passive income idea 2, how to sell your audiobooks on Amazon. So let's get started. So audiobooks have experienced a remarkable surge in demand over the last decade. Many factors contribute to this growth, including the busy lifestyle of modern readers who often multitask and find it difficult to allocate dedicated time for their reading. Audiobooks allow them to consume literature while commuting, exercising, or doing household chores. Furthermore, audiobooks are inclusive, catering to those with visual impairments or learning disabilities, making literature accessible to a wider audience. Amazon has recognized this shift and made it easier for authors and publishers to tap into the lucrative audiobook market. Why Amazon for audiobook sales? So, Amazon is one of the largest and most popular online marketplace globally. The platform boasts a vast consumer base of avid readers, many of whom are audiobooks enthusiasts. Why you choose to sell your audiobooks? When you choose to sell your audiobooks on Amazon, you gain access to the extensive built-in audience, and here are some of the key advantages. Audible integration. So Amazon owns Audible, one of the largest audiobook platforms in the world. When you publish your audiobooks on Amazon, they are automatically made available on Audible as well, expanding your reach even further. Self-publishing options. Amazon offers self-publishing options through Kindle Direct Publishing and ACX, Audiobook Creation Exchange. ADP allow you to publish your ebooks and print books, while ACX is tailored for creating and distributing audiobooks. This flexibility empowers authors to control their publishing process. Revenue share. Authors can earn royalty from the sale of their audiobooks on Amazon. The exact revenue share depends on the factors like distribution rights, pricing, and exclusivity. And global reach. Amazon extensive international reach means that your audiobooks can available to global audience. This can significantly boost your sale potential. Marketing tools. Amazon provide various marketing and promotional tools to help you increase the visibility of your audiobooks. This includes Kindle countdown deals, free promotions, and Amazon advertising. Here I told some of the points. So why you sell your audiobooks on Amazon and make passive income. So if you like, please subscribe my video, and we will meet in the next video.